What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing, and more specifically we're going to be discussing Facebook affiliate marketing. So what you're going to want to first do is, after you choose your niche, you want to join Facebook groups that are centered around that niche. So for example, if your niche is dogs, you want to join Facebook groups that are centered around dogs. If it is like any technology, like cell phones, laptops, anything like that, drones, you want to join a Facebook group or a few Facebook groups around that. And you're also going to want to create a fan page, because we're in the business of building a brand. So we want to have longevity and not just make a quick buck or make a one-time sale, but make multiple sales for months and years to come. So we're going to want to build that brand, have a fan page on Facebook, and just getting our name out there. And of course, you're also going to want to create your own Facebook group centered around your niche, so that you can not only pull people from the groups that you've joined, but also create valuable content in your own Facebook group. So I have an example here, and it is called Sew Sweetness Sewing Patterns. And as you can see, they meet the checklist that I created. They have 133,000, close to 134,000 people on their fan page, which is insane. And they also have a little over 13,000 members in their own Facebook group. I'm not a part of the group, but I bet if I join the group and were to look through it, she or he, whoever has this, I believe it's a girl, they would have a bunch of affiliate links and just tons of value in their group. So as you can see, just off of Facebook, if you create like basically a central hub on Facebook for your followers and your community, you can then send people to other platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, even a website. So if we go into their website, they have their own shop, which is just their own product, pretty much their own product, but they're probably getting it from China. And wow, they have a club, so it's a monthly membership. For 6 months, it's $38. And then they have little packs here, 10, 12 bucks, 80 bucks. So you can only imagine, they have 133,000 people who have liked their fan page. They have 13,000 people in their Facebook group with their website attached to their Facebook group. So they're getting sales every day, and this is just from their own personal store, not even accounting for if they add any affiliate links in their description or throughout their fan page or their Facebook group. And as you can see as well, they also tag their YouTube channel. So as you can see, they have a YouTube channel with a little over 9,000, right under 10,000 subscribers, which is pretty good. And of course, on here they can also add affiliate links. But I just wanted y'all to see the power of Facebook alone. And by creating a Facebook group, you can send people from your group to your other platforms and vice versa, and just grow your audience, grow your brand, and get your name out there, which is pretty amazing. So guys, if you found value in this video, I appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up, and also if you click the notification bell, just so you can get updates and be notified when I post a new video. And also, if you haven't, if you would please subscribe to my channel so that you can follow my journey with affiliate marketing and entrepreneurship, and also get more interesting videos and how-tos with affiliate marketing and everything else that I'm doing. That'd be great, and I will see you in the next video.